any other person, but we'll make sure that you all have a seating. It's a humble request, and we've done consultations with the parties that are here. Thank you. In ensuring that we've created that space. Thank you. Kindly, if you're not a diplomat, we humbly request you to take the observers area. We have a lot of space there, and this other side where the choir is, there is the observers area. If you're not a diplomat, please, we request that you give space to the diplomats in this area. Diplomats and AAEA team. Also, the religious leaders will be here with the diplomats.
Yes, sir.
We don't want anyone to be vacated. We ask you to self-vacate yourself. Self-vacate yourself.
Mic check.
And go to... Those with the observers badges, kindly remember that there is a lot of space where it's labeled clearly observers area, and we've created more.